Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer forms from Microsoft Forms to Google Sheets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Forms account. Select the form you want to transfer data from. Click on the Responses tab at the top of the page. Here, you'll see a summary of your responses. To export, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose the Open in Excel option. The Excel file will automatically download to your device. Now, locate the downloaded Excel file and open it. Select all the data in the Excel file, excluding the header row. Copy the selected data using Ctrl+C or Command+C. Next, open Google Sheets in your browser. Create a new Google Sheet by clicking on the plus icon. In the new sheet, click on the first cell where you want to paste the data. Paste the data using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Your Microsoft Forms responses are now transferred to Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure everything has copied correctly. You may need to adjust column widths for better visibility. Finally, rename your Google Sheet for easy reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.